Hi there. Let's go through a brief walkthrough of how to remove stale devices from Jamf Security Cloud. A stale device is a device in the Jamf Security Cloud portal that is no longer in use and does not need to be visible in the management portal. It is good practice to periodically remove unneeded devices from Jamf Security Cloud to ensure the devices you see when logged into the portal are actually in use. There are requirements to complete before deleting a device from Jamf Security Cloud. For managed devices, remove the device from your Unified Endpoint Management or UEM solution, such as Jamf Pro. This also ensures the Jamf Trust app is removed from iOS and iPadOS devices. For unmanaged devices, ensure the Jamf Trust app is removed from the device before deleting it in Jamf Security Cloud. Once ready to remove the stale devices, navigate to Devices, Manage in the Jamf Security Cloud portal. At the top, select More Actions, Bulk Operations, Add/Update/Delete. Select Delete Stale Devices. Here, we are given options to filter our list of devices, either by last network activity date, last app activity date, or by the date the device joined Jamf Security Cloud. Multiple filter criteria may be selected at the same time. Once our filter criteria are set, click Next to proceed. We are then shown a list of device names and unique identifiers for review. If the devices in the list match the devices intended for removal, click Delete in the lower right to permanently remove the devices from Jamf Security Cloud. Remember that deletion is permanent and cannot be reverted. If you wish to restore a deleted device, follow the standard workflow for enrolling a new device to Jamf Security Cloud. The Jamf Trust app and activation profile will need to be redistributed to the device and installed. If you have any questions, be sure to review the linked documentation for more information. Thanks for watching.